Hi, this is a short video to just give you the monthly update of Airbus. I also checked if there was one for Boeing, but I couldn't find it. And the monthly update includes basically every month the number of orders, eventual cancellations and deliveries. So for the first 7 months of 2020, Airbus has seen 369 orders and some cancellations, which led to a total net order increase of 302 aircraft. And the company registered 4 new orders in July alone. So it's clear that most orders came early in the year and then things dried up and cancellations started to come in. During the month of July, 49 deliveries were achieved from A220s and A320 family aircraft. So no A350s, no A330s or A380s. Airbus delivered 2 A320-300s to Air Canada and Egypt Air and 47 A220neo family aircraft, including a first A321neo to Middle Eastern Airlines and Vistara through Air Lease Corporation. The total backlog of aircraft for Airbus by the end of July stood at 7,539, comprising of 524 A220s, 6,125 A320 family aircraft, including 6,065 neo aircraft, 321 A330s, including 286 of the neo version, 560 A350 aircraft and 9 A380s. And as we're talking numbers, I will show you the total numbers of Airbus, which are quite interesting. This actually shows you, for example, that there are still 2,000 A330, A340, A350 family aircraft in circulation, and also still 293 A300 and A310 aircraft. Did you expect that? Honestly, I didn't. Although I know that a lot of them are cargo aircraft, yet it's still interesting to see that so many are still flying. And we can see that only 2 A380s have been scrapped, because 242 have been delivered and 240 are in fleet. This concludes the video for today. I hope you found this interesting. I may do such a video every month where I just give some simple data without going in details on what may happen or what may not happen, unless there is some really juicy news to announce. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. If you disliked the video, you do this. If you liked it, thumbs up, share and subscribe. Also, check out my Patreon page. There you can support me and get access to exclusive content. Get more. Check it out in the link below.